Thank you, Ape Damayan, for my new hair.
Vlog ka ba?
Thank you, yeah. Look at my eyebrows now.
Vlog ka ba?
Made by Damayan here in Solweta. You can go here to make it eyelashes. It's only 300 pesos. Wow na wow. Pak na pak. Ang ganda. Vice ganda.